Hi, I'm Urvashi Rautela.
Hello everybody, it's me Shail Oswal and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
I have fun segment for you guys. Let's keep it weird. Weird questions for you.
Okay.
Okay? Weird food combination you have ever tried.
Like, I never try weird food combinations, but I've seen a lot of people adding like Coca-Cola and ice cream.
Fanta ice cream.
Correct. I mean, same goes for me. I have not actually experienced any weird eatables like personally.
Not eating weird yet.
हाँ, मैं थोड़ा सा उस चीज़ों में.
And also a lot of people like mixing sugary items with namkeen items.
जी.
Lot of people put Coke in milk. हाँ. Coke milk में डालते हैं.
I can't.
And
You're asking us. What about you?
I have never tried something like this.
हाँ, I think वो अभी तक try नहीं किया. मतलब it's like
Gulab
something which I have
jamun
not.
with ice cream I have done.
Oh, okay.
अच्छा.
That is okay.
That is okay.
That is fine. हाँ.
Two desserts
That's okay.
together.
गरम और ठंडा वो ठीक है. वो mix थोड़ा ठीक लगता है वो.
Okay. Have you ever re-gifted a gift?
Me? Yes.
Indian.
हाँ,
दिल से
yes.
Indian.
नहीं but actually like जैसे time नहीं मिला
जी.
तो gift आया gift फिर दे दिया.
हाँ, मैंने भी किया है. वो काफी लोग अक्सर कर लेते हैं कि आपने गिफ्ट खोला नहीं और वो उसको रोटेशन में वो गिफ्ट को आप किसी और को देते हैं.
Exactly.
But I think that's the thing. I think that's you know lot of people do that.
Yeah.
You know हाँ.
Indian चीज़ है ये. दिल से.
But only the basic items है ना जो दिल के करीब वाले गिफ्ट्स नहीं हैं.
हाँ बेसिक. और वो गिफ्ट तो पूरा पैक्ड ही है ना. तो वो एक तरह से पड़ा है तो भाई आप बोलो यार अरे रामू शामू यार ये गिफ्ट बाद दे दो रोटेशन में चलेगा.
Okay, weird skill you have learned. Weird skill.
Weird skills.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, as such, I can't remember because I have not done any weird things in my life.
Oh.
So sorry.
Okay.
Weird skill. Like going to the airport, sometimes I wear my night suit. I go to the airport because I find them very comfortable.
That is okay. That is fine.
So,
I think
a lot of people think that it's so weird wearing night suit.
Jumpsuit. People wear jumpsuits, you know, while traveling. I think.
Comfort zone.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. I think dressing up is your own statement. You know, I think it's something which you personally love and that's fine, Urvashi. I mean, you feel comfortable. That's okay. I mean, that's a lovely.
Okay, weird place you have ever visited.
Weird place?
Yeah, काफी excitedly गए और वो काफी weird निकला.
Weird place. I think like maybe when you go to Disneyland.
Yeah.
और वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा gothic houses होते हैं, like very जो डराने वाले with the ghost and all. So उसमें कई सारे weird houses होते हैं.
Yeah.
So going there. Yeah.
Weird fan encounter. शैल जी आपने बताया अभी मुझे.
हाँ, वो भी था. हाँ, मतलब yeah. So there's certain lots of them are there, but I don't remember any certain one. I think one was a very beautiful, not a weird one. I think weird for me. तो मैं ऐसी unplugged कुछ टाइम की बात है ये दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी हंसराज कॉलेज है वहाँ पर. I was doing a show there, and I started singing unplugged एक गाना चेहरा. तो ना पीछे लड़कियाँ थी आगे लड़के थे. तो लड़कियाँ ना ऐसे धक्का मार के आ गई लड़कों को. लड़के सब नीचे गिर गए थे. So that was a wonderful moment for me, but also a little weird. I was thinking weird why because वो लड़के देखो बेचारे वो मतलब you know लड़के नहीं हमने सुनना है because actually वो गाना बहुत फीमेल बेस्ड था वो उसके जो खुशबू का फूलों से सदियों का रिश्ता है तो वो ना एक्चुअली वो हाँ तो वो एक मोमेंट था.
जी उर्वशी any weird or fan encounter?
Oh, I love my fans. Nothing weird with them. I love them all.
Okay, weirdest dating rumor about yourself you have heard?
I have never heard about myself dating because I think I don't get into all this you know kind of I keep myself a little bit out of speculations honestly.
Not really. Nothing weird.
I have not actually you know I have not ever heard her in any controversies or any speculations or I mean what I know about Urvashi. I think she has maintained that decorum which is very important. When you reach that level you know, a lot of people come to manipulate you in a lot of situations, right? I think she understands it very well.
Okay. Lastly, weird habit about a person that you dislike.
I think a good smell is something I really, you know, good fragrance and good hygiene. That is something that I like.
Yeah. I think for me, hypocrisy, backbiting, that is something, you know, people shouldn't do. And I think just be straightforward. Whatever you have in your heart should be, you know, here on your mouth. That's it. Yeah.
Lastly, one message for the audience.
Please to watch Rabba Kare only with
Ji.
Thank you so much, guys,
Thank
and all
you.
the best
Thank
for
you.
this song.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.